This video is the laser safety training for LaserPecker laser equipment. The LSO quiz you take afterwards is based on this training. After watching, you should be able to pass the quiz and be qualified as an authorized operator. One rule applies at all times. Never leave a running laser machine unattended. An operator must always be on site while the machine is working. A laser is a form of highly concentrated light. It has a single main wavelength, travels in a narrow beam, and can be focused to a tiny spot. Because of this, laser processing has high energy density. Misuse can injure eyes and skin, start fires, and create harmful fumes. When a laser product does not emit hazardous radiation during normal operation, it is under Class 1 condition. The enclosure and safety interlocks keep hazardous radiation inside. Class 1 means the product is safe to use as designed, but it does not allow unattended operation. Inside LP series machines, such as LP5, the engraving laser is Class 4. The warning and instruction signs are labeled where physical injuries or damage to the machine may be caused before or during operation. If a sign is damaged or lost, replace it immediately. Direct or reflected exposure can seriously injure the eyes and skin and can cause fire. When you correctly install and use the original safety or standard enclosure, make sure all interlocks, safety modes, and the emergency stop work, and follow the user manual and LDS software. The LP machine works under Class 1 conditions and is effectively used as a Class 1 laser product. In this situation, you usually do not need laser safety glasses. However, an operator must stay on site, and children or untrained people must not touch or approach the machine. If you remove the enclosure, modify the machine, or add opening-type accessories, the LP machine is no longer Class 1-inch use and no longer under Class 1 conditions. It must be treated as a Class 4 operation. For Class 4 use, the Laser Safety Officer, or LSO, must approve a written SOP. When beam exposure is possible, use certified laser safety glasses, and only trained and authorized personnel may operate the machine in a controlled area. LX2 is designed as a Class 1 laser product. It normally operates under Class 1 conditions when the base plate is correctly installed and fully closes the bottom. When using the riser base, the base plate must be locked in the slot, the front and rear door panels must be closed, and all interlocks on the top cover, front door, and base plate must be working. In this configuration, LX2 does not emit hazardous radiation in normal use, so normally no extra safety glasses are required. However, if you remove the base plate and use the riser base with the conveyor, LX2 is no longer under Class 1 conditions and must be treated as a Class 4 laser operation. In this setup, you must follow the Class 4 SOP defined by the LSO, wear professional laser safety glasses that match the LX2 laser wavelength, and limit access to trained and authorized personnel in a controlled area. Safety glasses only reduce the risk of diffuse reflections. They must never be used to look directly into the beam. Additionally, the processing of mirror-reflective materials is strictly prohibited. To stay safe and pass the LSO quiz, remember these key rules. Never leave the machine running without an operator. Laser engraving and cutting create fumes and air pollutants, so always turn on the smoke purifier or exhaust system during processing. Keep children and untrained people out of the laser work area and away from the beam path. When beam exposure is possible, use certified laser safety glasses that match the laser wavelength. Keep at least 50 centimeters distance between your face and the laser output, and never stand directly in front of the beam path. Use a dedicated power outlet with an RCD, and avoid sharing it with other high-power devices or daisy chaining power strips. Do not use the laser near flammable materials such as paint, alcohol, or vapors. Keep a dry powder fire extinguisher weighing at least 1 kilogram at the worksite. You must have a clear understanding of and correctly use all built-in safety protection features of the device and ensure that all safety functions are operating properly. If you notice flames, unusual smoke, strange smells, or abnormal noises, immediately press the emergency stop button and cut off the power supply. If it is safe to do so, use the nearest dry powder fire extinguisher to control the fire. Stop work and report at once to the LSO or supervisor. Do not attempt to repair the machine yourself. For any malfunctions, please contact us at support@laserpecker.com. Our support team is here to help. Every site using laser devices must appoint a laser safety officer, or LSO. The LSO defines safety measures, approves SOPs, checks equipment regularly, and organizes laser safety training and records. Your role as an operator is to use the laser only when authorized, to follow the SOPs and safety rules, and to stop work and report immediately to the LSO if you see any unsafe conditions. Lasers can cause serious injury and fires if used incorrectly. With proper enclosures, base plates, interlocks, and procedures, LP equipment can operate safely under Class 1 conditions. When you remove these protections or use LX2 with the riser base and conveyor, the system is no longer Class 1 and must be treated as a Class 4 laser. You are responsible for never leaving the machine unattended, keeping untrained people and children away, and following all emergency and reporting procedures. Stay safe and let creativity fly.